is Mabel. I just wanted to let you know that I can't make it in tomorrow because I've been diagnosed with a cold.
I'm sorry, I don't know who's speaking.
My name is Mabel. I've been diagnosed with a cold. I'm not gonna make it in tomorrow.
Are you a student?
Yes.
For what school?
The teacher's name is,
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
What school are you from?
I think it's the elementary.
This is, no, the name of the school
Oh,
that you go to.
is this one.
What's this one?
Hello?
Okay, and what's the name of your teacher and where is your parents?
I think her name is, I think it's,
I'm not understanding anything right now. It's hard to understand what you're saying. And if you all are not feeling well for not coming to school, your parents are the one that needs to call. And what is your name? Your full name, please.
Mabel.
I'm sorry?
Mabel.
What's your last name? Can you spell that?
V-R-R-R-R-R-R-R.
Mabel, that was so cold of you to say that.
Sorry.
Z as in zebra?
B as in brown.
B-R?
U.
H, and that spells bruh, because it's a bruh that you were on my phone trying to prank call your school, but you were not even sick.
I want a day off. I was sneezing this morning.
I don't care. End the call soon.
And your first name?
Mabel.
We don't have a student by that name here.
Oh, I thought it was, maybe this is the wrong building. I thought I was registered in this one. Mabel. Yeah.
First name Naval?
Yeah.
Can I get a number and I'll call you back?
Okay. You want to speak to a specific number? Like my mommy?
I need to know your number.
Okay. I'll give you my mom number. 9.
And you're calling because you're just not feeling well and you're not able to come to school?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you a call back. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.